Today, we're going to see how I made this Christmas tree for my festive table. You're going to need some gold paper, stiff white paper, a star-shaped punch, a ruler, some scissors, some double-sided sticky tape, a pencil, some glue, and a craft knife. I start off by cutting out 4 16cm squares. Then I fold them along both diagonals. Then I cut out one of the triangles formed by the diagonals, taking care to leave a little tab which I fold down. I'm going to use this tab to hold my 3D triangle together. Once I've done the same for all the squares, I cut out a triangle of the gold paper and glue it onto my base. Now, I have to put them all together, being careful not to glue the little quadrants at the base of each triangle. You'll see later how this lets me fit the various layers of my tree together. For the decoration, I've decided to glue on some little white stars. I've done the same 5 times, using smaller and smaller squares. Now, I just have to fit them all one on top of the other. And last of all, I put 1 Ferrero Rocher in each compartment of my tree. And to make your Christmas table even more festive, why not add a big shiny star to the top of your tree?